Gretchen with Yoga and Herb, back with Raku for your How to Draw the Usui Reiki Symbols. Raku is super easy. Looks like a lightning bolt. Draw it from the top of your client down to the bottom, or draw it for yourself to ground yourself even while you're healing your client. It is the symbol of completion. Raku. Raku is taught in Usui and taught in Karuna-ki, so you'll probably see this twice in one of the videos. But this is a super important one to kind of finish letting all that Reiki energy settle into your clients. Let it sever the tie between you and them, kind of ground them back into reality, because pretty soon after you've used Raku, you're going to start to bring them back if they are in a deep meditative state, or even if they've fallen asleep. It's a good thing when they fall asleep. They're very receptive to those symbols, so don't take that as an insult. That means you're doing something really good. All right, next up, we're going to start with those Karuna-ki symbols. Yay! If you like these videos and want to see more like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you. Until next time, Namaste.